Hi children, good afternoon. Today using expressions practically 11.3 exercise completed. So using expressions practically, see here children how to write expressions. Okay, see here we have already come across practical situations in which expressions are useful. Let us remember some of them. Okay, situation described in ordinary language. Okay, variable and statements using expressions. Okay, see here children, first one, Sarita has 10 more marbles than Amina. 10 more than marbles Amina. More means you have to add. Okay, let Amina have X marbles. They didn't mention here Amina marbles, so you have to take X Amina marbles. Okay, Amina have X marbles. Okay, so Sarita has 10 more than Amina marbles. Yes, so Sarita has X plus 10 marbles. Understand children? X plus 10 marbles. Understand children? Okay. This expression understand? Okay. See here children. One more. Balu is 3 years younger than Raju. Younger means smaller. Yes. Balu is 3 years younger than Raju. Let Raju's age be X years. Let Raju's age be X years. So, Balu's age is X minus 3 years. Understand children? Balu is 3 years younger than Raju. So, Raju's age is X years. So, you have to take Balu's age is X minus 3 years. Understand children? Okay. Next. Bikash is twice as old as Raju. Twice. Multiply. Understand children? Bikash is twice as old as Raju. Let Raju's age be X years. Okay. Bikash age is 2X years. 2X years. Understand? Okay. Next, Raju's father's age is 2 years more than 3 times Raju's age. See here children, Raju's father's age is 2 years more than 3 times Raju's age. See here you have to take Raju's age X years. So 3 times more than 2 years. Raju's age, see here children, Raju's age you have to take X. 3x more than 2 years. Understand children? Very easy. First clarify your answers step by step. See here Raju's age you have to take X. Okay. 3 times more than 2 years, more than 3 times. 3 times 3x plus 2. Understand children? I hope you understand these 4 problems. Next, move on to next. Let us look at some other such situations. Okay? See here, 5th one. How old will Shushan be 5 years from now? See here, let Y be Shushan's present age in years. Okay, 5 years from now. 5 years from now. So, you have to add y plus 5 years old. Y plus 5 years old. Understand, children? How old was Shushan 4 years ago? Present age is, you have to take y. Any variable you have to take. Okay. 4 years ago means y minus 4. Understand, children? Price of wheat per kg is 5 rupees, less than price of rice per kg. Price of rice per kg be, you have to take P, RSP. So, less than 5. So, P minus 5. Understand, children? Price of wheat per kg is RS P minus 5. Okay. Next. See here, children. Price of oil per liter is 5 times the price of rice per kg. 5 times means 5p. Understand, children? 5 less means 5 minus p minus 5. 5 times means 5p. Less than means 5 minus 5. P minus 5. Okay. Next. The speed of a bus is 10 km per hour, more than the speed of a truck going on the same road. Okay. Let the speed of the truck be y km per hour. Okay. 10 more than means y plus 10 km per hour. I hope you understand these 9 problems. Okay, children. Once again, you have to read situations and how to form expressions and which variable they use. But you have to take different situations and take different variable and make expressions. Okay. If any doubt, ask me, children. Okay. Once again, these problems you have to practice, and tomorrow Monday exercise 11.4 I will explain. Okay. See you, children. Once again, you have to read situations, and more than means you have to add. Okay. They didn't given present situations. Okay. And so you have to take variable, and more means you have to add number, and next anger means smaller, you have to less, and twice means you have to multiply. Okay. Thank you.